Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to clear cache in your Android phone. First, swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to apps. Now from here you can clear your cache. Then choose the app that you want to clear cache. If I select Facebook, from here scroll down again and then go to storage. And here at the bottom you can see clear cache option, and by tapping here you can clear cache in your phone, and it's done. Now the cache has been cleared successfully. Now if you go to home screen and then go to app screen, now from here choose the app that you want to clear cache. Suppose if you want to clear cache of Instagram, just touch and hold it, then tap on this icon and then scroll down again, then go to storage, and here it is. You can also clear cache from here. And that is how you can clear cache in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.